Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Nazri bin Abdullah, and today I would like to present on the issues of safety and health item provided in the construction industry standard for the International Conference on Education, Humanities and Technology Research 2023. Okay, first of all, the outline of presentation consists of introductions, problem statement, research aim and objective, scope of research, literature review, research method, finding, and finally is about conclusion and recommendation. Next, we are going to the background of the study. The construction site aims to ensure that all construction site or the industry as well as is not immediate source of dangers to the general public in the vicinity of a construction site. The workers at construction site or the necessary safety standard as well as to ensure the quality of the construction final product. A safety and health policy, the responsibility of the employer, employees, safety and health officer, a safety and health company or an occupational safety and health inspection and officer must be developed that documented by every company. It is important to recognize the safety and health issue that contractors are concerned about, as well as safety and health element related to the building construction operation in order to reduce frequency of accident of site. Next, we are going to problem statement. On the problem statement is about the pro attitude towards safety by Al-Bakani and Hayati 2020, and a language issue, and following by the lack of regulation and enforcement. Next, we are going to the research aim, objective, and research question. First, for the research aim for this topic is about to determine strategies that would improve the safety and health of the construction workers by identifying the issues of the safety and health among the contractors and related to the safety and health and the BLQ by referring the construction industry standard. Following by for the research objective, which is first objective is to determine item related to the safety and health, and B of a quantity by referring to the construction industry standard for construction workers. The second objective is to identify the issue related to the safety and health among the contractors. And last is about to suggest a strategy that will improve the safety and health of the construction workers on site. And the research question is what are the items related to safety and health in the BQ by referring the standard of construction workers? What is the issue related to safety and health among the contractors? And last is about how to suggest a strategy that will improve safety and health of the construction workers on site. Next, we go into the literature review. As you can see on the item of literature review for the item related to the safety and health in the BQ by referring the construction industry standard 2019 for the construction workers. First, for the safety and health plan, safety and health training, safety and health protective, and then safety and health welfare provision, and lastly is about traffic management. Next issue is related to the healthy amount of contractor is falling, airborne and material exposure, scaffolding injury, electrical incident. And a strategy that will improve the safety and health of the contractor workers first is about education training, use label and sign, right label and sign, electrical safety, proper equipment and amenities and facility. Okay, on the method of the research, we are going to separate on the three phases. First phase is which to identify the research topic, research problem, and research objective, and come up with the literature review. And then next, for the second phase, is about methodology and data collection by using questionnaire survey and demographic information. And for the section B, which is issue related to the safety and health among the contractors. And finally, for the first phase 3 data compilation by using SPSS, and finding result will find out. Okay, for the scope of research, which is on this research, the population is related is about 5,000 plus, and then sample taken is 357 sample, which is contractor which registered with the CIDB area in Klang Valley, which is limitation the scope is for the G7 contractor. Okay, the data analysis. Okay, the data analysis showed in the pie chart for the knowledge of safety and health item in the construction site are important to reduce risk the accident on the site. Okay, next we are going to see the establishment of the company, which is the establish of the company is classified into 4 categories, which is in categories 5 years, less than 5 years, more than 15 years. Okay, next we are going to see the experience of the respondent involving safety and health on site, which is comprises of 4 sessions, which is less than 5 years, 5 to 10, 11 to 15 years, and more than 15 years. From the data, it concludes that higher respondent company established for the 11 to 15 years. Okay, issue related to safety among the contractor, as we can see here, about the falling, electrical incident, scaffolding, airborne and start incident, that we can conclude that airborne and material exposure are third place among the issue. And then we go into the data analysis on the item related to safety and health and the BQ, which is for the standard 2019 for the construction industry. Okay, from the data, it can conclude that highest percentage are from the item protective equipment, which are 75 respondents agreed that important for the contractor to provide to their workers. And the conclusion is the contractor need to alert with the issues that related to safety and health to reduce accident on the site. All safety items need to be followed by the contractor before they start the construction project by referring to the construction industry standard. A better and healthier workers environment in the construction sector by minimizing the risk and hazard on the site by contractor providing the tools or equipment and following the guide from the safety officer. It might be reduce the accident on construction site. For strategy to improve the safety and health of the construction workers, in this study are education and training, use label, signage, electrical safety, proper equipment and amenities and facilities, which are can reduce the rate of accident on the construction site. In Klang Valley was only the area of the research. The limitation research was conducted by the perspective of the respondent. Therefore, it can be used and assess the activities on site without any probability occurrence due to absence, and specified things indicate the construction industry standard by employing various types of safety and health items.